Everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 427 Ford 540 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1969 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We started with a brand new dart block, all forged steel internals, double roller timing chain, brand new timing cover, new balancer. We have the roller lifter camshaft in there, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, real nice red ignition wires with all the wire markers on there, brass freeze plugs, proper oil pan for the 69 Mustang, front sump oil pan, Canton Racing, oil pressure extensions installed. We have the Cobra valve covers on here, aluminum intake manifold, distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, quick fuel carburetor, throttle return spring and bracket, Cobra air cleaner, proper standard flywheel, American made, Ford Racing, pilot bearing in there, proper tooth count and balance for the 427 Ford, manifold vacuum fittings for easy hookups for a vacuum, electric choke wires installed, all the fuel lines, Russell heavy duty fuel line. We have the thermostat housing, proper one for the 69 Mustang, thermostats installed. We have the polished Raptor pulley kit on here, self-tensioning belt tensioner, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, high flow aluminum water pump, 160 amp one wire alternator hookup right there, power steering pumps on there, all set, high flow fuel pump, all the fittings, gas filter. Every engine is live run for over 45 minutes at the engine factory. You'll see a video of your engine running in the stand, manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure cold and hot, water temperature, timing will be set, carburetor fully adjusted, completely tuned, ready to go. So there you have it. Again, this is our 427 Ford 540 horsepower turnkey package engine. Thanks for watching.